Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to connect a wireless light switch. So you need a wireless smart switch, screwdriver set, voltage tester, electrical tape, jumper wire, SPST or SPDT wall switch, and a 10A circuit breaker. Now to use the standard control or the SPST switch mode, best for manual showdown when leaving home or disabling automation. Just connect live or phase wire to SPST switch input and connect the output to the smart switch L live in. Now connect smart switch L out and then light load. Then connect neutral wire smart switch N and light N. Also secure and insulate all terminals. The second option is magic mode, which is using the SPDT switch. Connect phase live to SPDT LCOM and then add jumper wire between L1 and L2. Connect L1 or L2 smart switch L live in. Then connect smart switch L out to light. Connect neutral to smart switch and then light. The relay stays on permanently and the system runs automation even when the wall switch is off. Power on state automatically switches off to mode. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.